Deployment automation is a critical aspect of modern DevOps practices. It involves automating the process of deploying applications to various environments, ensuring consistency, reliability, and efficiency. By automating deployments, teams can reduce manual errors, accelerate release cycles, and improve collaboration between development and operations teams. This presentation will explore the key aspects of selecting a deployment automation solution, focusing on two popular tools, GitHub Actions and Azure Pipelines. Deployment automation is essential for achieving continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, in DevOps. It allows teams to deploy code changes quickly and reliably, ensuring that new features, bug fixes, and updates reach users without delay. Automated deployments also enable teams to maintain a high level of quality and consistency across different environments, from development to production. This reduces the risk of deployment failures and minimizes downtime, ultimately leading to a better user experience. GitHub Actions is a powerful automation tool integrated into GitHub, allowing developers to create custom workflows for their projects. It supports a wide range of actions, from building and testing code to deploying applications. GitHub Actions uses YAML files to define workflows, making it easy to version control and share automation scripts. With its extensive marketplace of pre-built actions, developers can quickly set up complex CI/CD pipelines tailored to their specific needs. GitHub Actions offers several key features that make it a popular choice for deployment automation. These include seamless integration with GitHub repositories, a vast marketplace of reusable actions, support for multiple programming languages and platforms, and the ability to run workflows on various operating systems. Additionally, GitHub Actions provides detailed logs and notifications, helping teams monitor and troubleshoot their workflows effectively. Its flexibility and ease of use make it suitable for both small projects and large-scale enterprise applications. Azure Pipelines is a cloud-based service that provides build and release management capabilities for continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD. It supports a wide range of languages, platforms, and cloud services, making it a versatile solution for deploying applications. Azure Pipelines integrates seamlessly with other Azure services, as well as popular tools like GitHub, Bitbucket, and Docker. It offers both YAML and classic editor-based pipeline definitions, catering to different user preferences and project requirements. Azure Pipelines boasts several features that make it a robust deployment automation solution. These include support for multi-stage pipelines, parallel jobs, and matrix builds, integration with Azure DevOps and other Azure services, extensive support for various programming languages and platforms, and advanced security features like pipeline secrets and approvals. Additionally, Azure Pipelines provides detailed analytics and reporting, helping teams gain insights into their CI/CD processes and optimize their workflows for better performance. When selecting a deployment automation solution, it's important to compare the features and capabilities of GitHub Actions and Azure Pipelines. GitHub Actions is tightly integrated with GitHub, making it an excellent choice for projects hosted on GitHub. It offers a user-friendly interface and a vast marketplace of actions. On the other hand, Azure Pipelines provides more advanced features for complex CI/CD scenarios, such as multi-stage pipelines and integration with other Azure services. Both tools have their strengths, and the choice depends on the specific needs and preferences of the team. Both GitHub Actions and Azure Pipelines offer extensive integration capabilities with other tools and services. GitHub Actions can integrate with various third-party services through its marketplace, allowing teams to extend their workflows with additional functionality. Azure Pipelines, being part of the Azure DevOps suite, integrates seamlessly with other Azure services like Azure Repos, Azure Boards, and Azure Artifacts. This tight integration enables teams to manage their entire DevOps lifecycle within a single platform, streamlining their processes and improving efficiency. Security is a critical aspect of deployment automation. Both GitHub Actions and Azure Pipelines offer robust security features to protect your workflows and deployments. GitHub Actions provides encrypted secrets, allowing teams to securely store and use sensitive information in their workflows. Azure Pipelines offers similar capabilities, along with additional features like pipeline approvals and role-based access control, RBAC. When selecting a deployment automation solution, it's important to consider the security features offered by each tool and ensure they meet your organization's requirements. Cost is an important factor when selecting a deployment automation solution. GitHub Actions offers a generous free tier with additional usage billed based on the number of workflow minutes and storage used. Azure Pipelines also provides a free tier with additional charges based on the number of parallel jobs and the amount of build and release minutes consumed. Both tools offer flexible pricing models that can scale with your project's needs. It's important to evaluate the cost implications of each tool and choose the one that fits your budget and usage patterns. Let's explore a real-world example of a team using GitHub Actions for deployment automation. A small startup developing a web application hosted on GitHub wanted to streamline their CI/CD process. They used GitHub Actions to create workflows for building, testing, and deploying their application to a cloud provider. By leveraging pre-built actions from the GitHub Marketplace, they quickly set up a robust pipeline that reduced manual effort and improved deployment speed. The team also benefited from detailed logs and notifications, allowing them to monitor their workflows and address issues promptly. Now, let's look at a case study of a large enterprise using Azure pipelines for their CI/CD needs. The company had a complex application with multiple microservices hosted on Azure. They used Azure pipelines to create multi-stage pipelines that handled building, testing, and deploying each microservice independently. The integration with other Azure services, such as Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, and Azure Key Vault, allowed them to manage their deployments securely and efficiently. The detailed analytics and reporting features of Azure pipelines helped the team optimize their workflows and improve overall performance. To get the most out of your deployment automation solution, it's important to follow best practices. These include defining clear and concise workflows, using version control for pipeline definitions, leveraging reusable actions or tasks, and implementing robust testing and monitoring. Additionally, it's important to regularly review and optimize your pipelines to ensure they remain efficient and effective. By following these best practices, teams can achieve reliable and efficient deployments, reducing the risk of failures and improving overall productivity. In conclusion, selecting the right deployment automation solution is crucial for achieving successful CI/CD in DevOps. GitHub Actions and Azure Pipelines are both powerful tools with their own strengths and capabilities. GitHub Actions is ideal for projects hosted on GitHub, offering a user-friendly interface and a vast marketplace of actions. Azure Pipelines, on the other hand, provides advanced features for complex CI/CD scenarios and seamless integration with other Azure services. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. By carefully evaluating the features, integration capabilities, security, and cost of each tool, you can select the best solution for your project.